So, how's your little one doing?
He's doing great. Sleeps a lot, thank goodness, and eats like a champ.
Aw, that's lovely. Oh, hold on. I just got an email. Let me check real quick.
No worries, take your time.
Wait. Oh my gosh,
What happened? You okay?
I got the job!
Wait, what? The job? The international company you told me about?
Yes, that one! I still can't believe it.
That's amazing. I'm so happy for you. But you seem a little unsure.
I am. It's just. I'm excited, but also kind of terrified.
Why terrified?
Because my English isn't good enough. At this job, I'll need to speak English all the time. In emails, meetings, everything.
Oh, come on. Your English is way better than you think.
Not good enough for this job. What if I make a mistake? What if they don't understand me?
You're overthinking it.
I'm serious. Sometimes I think maybe I shouldn't take the job.
No way. I'm not letting you throw this away after all your hard work.
You don't get it. Your English is perfect. I wish I could speak like you.
Trust me, it's not perfect, but I've practiced a lot, and you can too.
Practice? How?
There are tons of ways. Apps like Elsa, or talking to AI like ChatGPT, you can practice speaking every day.
Talking to an app or AI feels weird. I prefer real people.
Then find a real conversation partner. Facebook has groups for English practice, or even language exchange meetups.
You think that'll help?
Of course. And hey, just remember, you already got the job. That means they believe in you. Now you just need to believe in yourself.
Okay, you're right. Time to stop doubting and start speaking.
That's the spirit. And don't worry, if your baby starts giving English lessons, I'll be first in line.
Dude, did you hear? Isabel got that job she applied for, the international one.
No way, that's awesome. I remember her talking about it. She must be pumped.
She was for like 5 minutes. Now she's freaking out.
Why? What happened?
She's worried about her English. Says she's not confident enough to handle meetings, emails, all that stuff.
Man, I get that. When I started working with clients overseas, I was nervous too. Thought I'd mess everything up.
Right? I used to double-check every email like it was a college essay.
Same, but here's the thing. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be clear and keep trying.
Exactly what I told her. I even suggested some tools, apps, even AI like ChatGPT. Great for practicing.
Oh yeah, that stuff is super helpful now. Wish we had it back then.
She's not into it though. Says she'd rather practice with real people.
Fair enough. Honestly, that might be better. Real conversations, real pressure, best way to grow.
I'm thinking we could help. Just speak with her in English now and then. Keep it casual, no pressure.
Absolutely. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. It's all about consistency.
You know what's crazy? She already got the job. The company believes in her. She just needs to believe in herself now.
Man, that's powerful. Sometimes self-doubt is louder than reality.